Warm greetings to everyone. So, in this video, we have another important lecture. We have another important motivational lecture about English alphabet 26 letters. So, the 26 letters of the English alphabets are so intelligently arranged for you people, and if you follow these letters will help you in following points. They show you the way of life. They can change you completely. They can develop your understanding. They can increase your vocabulary. They can develop your talent. They can develop your critical thinking. They can make you perfect. They can make you genius. They can help you in your goal if you have any in your life. They can motivate you about life. They can motivate you for life. They can motivate you about success. They can motivate for everything. So, A stands for always, B stands for be, and C stands for cool. Always be cool. And D stands for do not have. E stands for ego with. F stands for friends and family. G stands for give up. H stands for hurting. I stands for individual. Give up hurting individual. J stands for just, and K stands for keep, and L stands for loving. M stands for mankind. N stands for never. O stands for omit. P stands for prayers. And Q stands for quietly. R stands for remember. Allah and God. S stands for speak. T stands for truth. Speak truth. U stands for youth. V stands for valid. W stands for word. X stands for express. O stands for R. Z stands for Z. So ये थे इंग्लिश 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स जिनके मैंने वर्ड्स क्रिएट करके एक पूरी चेन बना दी है. Always be cool. Do not have ego with family and friends. Give up hurting individuals. Just keep loving mankind. Never omit prayers. Quite remember Allah. Speak truth. Use valid words. Express और zeal. अगर ये आप यूज़ कर लेते हैं तो definitely you can improve your vocabulary, you can improve your talent, you can improve your critical thinking, and you can improve each and everything if you want to improve in your life. I hope you people got it well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.